Hi, to use DeX Mode on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10, firstly, let's find this feature. So, if you have a keyboard cover, use the keyboard shortcut Fn plus DeX to quickly switch to this mode. And if you don't have such a keyboard cover, then you will need to swipe down from the upper right corner to trigger the control center, and from here swipe again. And now, either on the first or on the second page, you should see this DeX mode, DeX icon. So when it's gray, it is disabled, and if we tap on it like that, it would be enabled. So what is DeX mode? In DeX, you can open apps in pop-up windows, which makes it easier to use several apps at once. You also get a taskbar at the bottom of the screen to help you switch between apps. So let me just show you. For example, we can open Play Store, and now you can see it opens like on mini laptop. I don't know, we got this pop-up window. We can drag it anywhere across the screen. Here we can tap on the three dots, we can pin this window, make it in split screen, make a layout. Also, we can close it like that, just like on the laptop. And also we can just open it in full screen view like this. And now in the upper right corner, we should see those icons for like split screen, closing the window, for this pop-up window, and to close it at all. So to close this window, we'll need to tap on the cross like that. And now you can open not only one app, but you can open several apps, and it should look like that. So just like on your laptop, you got this pop-up windows. If you tap on this one, it should appear like your first. If you tap here, this one would be your first. So you can use those apps at the same time. For example, you can open one like that on a full screen, and now you can select any app from your taskbar, let's say Notes, like that, and now one app will be on a full screen and Notes will be like this pop-up window, but you can still use them like at the same time. So here is the Notes window. Let's just close all of them like that. By the way, if you select app from your homepage or app drawer, not from the taskbar, you should see that this app appears right here on the right side of your taskbar. So this means that this is the recently opened app. So if you take a close look here, you should see this line. So what is on the left side of this line is a taskbar, and on the right side, your recents. So if you, for example, use this line to like close the window, the app should still be in your recents. But if we tap on the cross, it will disappear from recents, as you can see. So just everything just like on the laptop. Now, it is important to know that DeX is only available for the main profile of the tablet. If there are multiple users on your device, make sure you're logged into the primary profile to activate this feature. And by the way, DeX supports external screen mode. So this requires an HDMI adapter or docking station, and you can connect a mouse and keyboard for convenient operation. And now to go back to your tablet view, you should just swipe down 2 times from the upper right corner, and here tap on the DeX, and now everything is in this tablet view. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye!